If you want to sign into Firefox Browser, sync your bookmarks, passwords, and settings, and get the same browsing experience across your devices, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full Firefox sign in process step by step so you can get connected quickly and without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser launches, look to the upper right corner of the window. You should see the profile icon there. Click that profile icon to open your account options. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see an option that says Sign into Firefox. Go ahead and click Sign into Firefox and then choose the option to sign in to sync. This is the step that connects your Firefox account to your browser and lets your data sync across devices. Next, Firefox will ask you to enter the email address associated with your Firefox account. Type it in carefully, making sure there are no typos, then click Continue. After that, you'll move on to the password screen. Enter your Firefox account password here and double check that everything is correct before you continue. Once you're sure the password is right, click Sign In. If your account has extra security enabled, Firefox may ask you to complete verification before you're fully signed in. This could be a two-factor authentication code or an email verification step. If that happens, check the device or email linked to your account, enter the verification code you receive, and then click Confirm. Once the verification is complete, Firefox will finish signing you in and begin syncing your account. At that point, your bookmarks, saved logins, browsing history, and other synced data can start appearing across your devices. If you ever want to confirm that you're signed in, just click the profile icon again and check your account status. And that's it. You've successfully signed in to Firefox Browser. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.